Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing something exciting. This store is Mega Don Quijote. It is mega. It's like a grocery store, electronics store, a clothing store, a makeup store, a toy store, a home goods store. It's like everything all in one store. I even think they have dogs in here. So I'm just gonna take you in with me. Fair warning, it is very overstimulating.
Maybelline, New York. Are you ready?
The store itself was a big culture shock for me. There's just so much of everything, and like all the noise and the music and the lights and the signs is just a little overwhelming. Theme song.
本日もご来店いただきまして誠にありがとうございます。業務連絡いたします。
So much noise.
サービスカウン